Let's begin our MCQ series. The first question: which type of isomerism is shown by 2,3 dichlorobutane? The options are on screen. Now I request you to count the number of correct options you give on the whole series, on this whole video, and to tell me on the comments. And the correct option of the first question is option 2. The second question on your screen is the number of structural isomers for C6H14 is C6H14. You have to tell me the number of structural isomers, and the options are 3, 4, 5, or is it 6? The number of structural isomers, and the correct option is option number 3, 5. Let's move on to the third question. The third question of the day: which compound exhibits tautomerism? Tautomerism is exhibited by which compound? 2-butene, lactic acid, 2-pentanone, or is it option 4, phenol? And the correct option of the third question of the day is option number 3, 2-pentanone. 2-pentanone is the third question, is the correct option, the third option. The fourth question of the day: intramolecular hydrogen bonding is formed in which of these following options? Option 4, water, salicylaldehyde, ammonia, or is it option 4, benzophenone? Intramolecular hydrogen bonding. And the correct option is option number 2, salicylaldehyde shows intramolecular hydrogen bonding. The fifth question of the day: the hydrogen bond is shortest in. The 4 options are on the screen, and have to think about this question. Very logical, you have to think, and the correct option to this fifth question is option number 3, between hydrogen and fluorine. The sixth question: which of the following noble gases has the highest positive electron gain enthalpy value? Highest electron gain enthalpy value: helium, argon, neon, or xenon. Between all these noble gases, which one? Option number 3, neon, is the correct option. Let's move on to our seventh question of the day. The seventh question: the elements with atomic number 9, 17, 35, 53, and 85 are all noble gases, halogens, alkali metals, or alkaline earth metals. And the correct option is option number 2, halogens. It was a very easy question indeed. Now let's move on to our 8th question. The highest first ionization potential is of highest first ionization potential: carbon, boron, oxygen, or is it nitrogen, N2? And N2, nitrogen, is the correct option of the 8th question. The 4th option is the correct option. The 9th question: the ratio of the shortest wavelength of 2 spectral series of hydrogen spectrum is found to be about 9. The spectral series are, the 4 options are on your screen, and the correct option is option number 1, Lyman and Bastian. Was a very tricky question, but indeed easy. Question number 10: orbital having 3 angular nodes and 3 nodal nodes is 6d, 5p, 3d, or 4f. We are almost halfway through, and the 4th option, 4f, is the correct answer. The 11th question of the day: 2 electrons occupying the same orbital are distinguished by principal, azimuthal, magnetic, or spin quantum number. And the correct option is option number 4. Spin quantum number distinguishes it. And the 12th question of the day: the 12th question, the correct set of 4 quantum numbers. 4 quantum numbers for the outermost electron of sodium is, the atomic number is 11. Is it 310 half, 311 half, 321 half, or 300 half? The options are on your screen for the 12th question, and the 4th option, 300 and half, is the correct option. Let's move on to the 13th question. 13th question: when the azimuthal quantum numbers has the value of 2, the number of orbitals possible are, the number of possible orbitals for L is equals to 2. And the correct option is option number 4, 5. Let's move on to the 14th question. The 14th question out of the 20. The 14th question. Impossible orbital among the following is? Which orbital, which option is impossible and does not exist? 2s, 3f, 2p, or is it 4d? And the correct option is option number 2, 3f. The correct option of the 14th question is 3f. The 15th question, we're almost there, come on. Which of the following is not an actinide? Which of the following is not an actinide? We know there are two series, lanthanide and actinide. Which of the following is not an actinide? Is it curium? Is it californium? Is it uranium? Or is it terbium? 4 options are there on your screen. And the correct option is option number 4, terbium. Terbium is not an actinide. Question number 16. The element having greatest difference between its first and second ionization energies. A very good question indeed. The greatest difference, and the options are on your screen. The second option, again, potassium is the correct option of the 16th question. Just 4 more questions to go. The 17th question. Which one has the highest boiling point? Highest BP, highest boiling point. Is it krypton, xenon, helium, or neon? 4 options, and all the 4 are halogens. And the correct option is option number 2. 2 is again the correct option. It's xenon with the highest boiling point. Question number 18th. Which of the following is paramagnetic in nature? Paramagnetic in nature. The 4 options are nitrogen, carbon monoxide, nitrogen monoxide, or ozone, N2CO, NO, NO3. Which one is paramagnetic in nature? NO is paramagnetic and shows magnetism, while the other does not. 19th question. The second last question. The geometry of ammonium ion. The geometry of ammonium ion is, and the options are trigonal planar, tetrahedral, square pyramidal, or octahedral. 4 questions, 19th questions. 19th question, 4 options are there, and the second question, tetrahedral, is the correct option. Now time for our last question of the day, which has the maximum dipole moment. Maximum dipole moment. Maximum dipole moment among the 4 options. Is it CO2, CH4, NH3, or nitrogen trifluoride, NF3? And the correct option is ammonia, option number 3. It was all about this video about the ISC Chemistry's quizzes. Thanks for watching.